Here we're going to go over how to add a video to your funnel page. To begin, we're going to click on the Add Element button, and we're going to scroll down to the Media section and click on Video. Here we have a variety of different customizations that you can make to your video. So to start, we can rename the element name and title. So I'm going to keep it as video. You can change the padding on the left, right, top, and bottom by either toggling these here or typing in a number in the box. You can also do the same with the margin on the top and the bottom as well. Here you can add a background color to your video. So when you click on this, you can see that the background color changes. You can also add a custom color if one of these colors doesn't work for you. Here you can add either a drop shadow or an inner shadow to your video. And then here you can input your video. So we have a couple different options here. You can do YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, custom embed, HTML5, or hosted video. And then with each of these, you have different customizations. So with YouTube, you're going to put in your video URL. Vimeo, you're also going to put in your video URL. Wistia, you can put in your video URL. Custom embed, you're going to put in your video embed code. HTML5, you have a variety of different URLs you can put here. And then hosted video, you can select the video that you have in your media library and then select a thumbnail. When you scroll down, you'll see a variety of different playback controls. So autoplay, you can toggle on and off if you'd like the video to automatically play when they open up the funnel page. You can toggle on and off to allow playing and pausing of the video. You can allow playback speed control. You can show the pending time on the video. And then you can also show full screen toggle and then show a progress bar on the video as well. Here you can toggle on and off redirect unregistered visitors. Under the Advanced tab, you can add a border to your video. So if you click on full border, you'll see you have a variety of different options. You can do solid, dashed, or dotted borders. You can change the border width, the border color. Again, you can add a custom color here. You can change the radius. So this will make your corners rounded. And then you can decide if you want to have all corners rounded, only the top, or only the bottom. And then here you can toggle on and off the visibility on desktop and mobile. So when I turn that off, you can see it disappears. When I turn it on, it comes back. And then here, if you have a custom class name, you can enter it here. And then if you're happy with this and you would like to paste it in another funnel, just copy this code.